Welcome back to the channel. Kimyo on Space Cadets. It's the leader of the Cosmic Armada and Librarian of Cold Archives as well. Wolph Nara back to bring you another Ordeal live reaction. You know what I'm saying? We got that peak deal, you feel me? We got that Ordeal, you feel me? We got that peak every Thursday, you feel me? If I was you, I'd just subscribe because you know what I'm saying? We consistent like a fart in the wind. It hit different. You know what I'm saying? When you silent but deadly, you feel me? In the algorithm, it do hit different. But anyway, we're gonna get started with Peak DZ, episode 123 of season 3. And it's titled the Leopard Cub. Leopard's Cub. So, oh, wait. Is Yukiko gonna do something fire in this chapter? Wait. Is she gonna do something fire in this chapter? Leopard's Cub? So, are we gonna see Shay and Yukiko this chapter do something fire? You know what I'm saying? I'm with it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm with it. No, damn. Hold on. I'm sitting on my head shit. I'm definitely with it. You feel me? So now, let's get started with the chapter. Because hold on. We gotta see Sabito Cubs. You feel me? It hit different. Come on, Perker. You ugly ass nigga. Damn, Perker Tubby. Why? That ass got a goddamn upside down diaper on your shit, bro. Why did he start off with you again? Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? Replace fear with rage, the assassin's code. Love to see it. Now let's get started with this week's. Okay, so last week I said she pierced him, but it's not gonna do anything because of the point being at the head. We see beforehand when she did the diagonal slash from right to left, and then the second one from left to right upward, and the ice or sickle glacier or whatever you want to call it, Hasame's ice pierced him, but he immediately healed. So I'm glad that the lieutenant or colonel or whatever dude rank is, he was able to deduce that the chi is all gathered in the head, or the focus point is in the head. So if you don't destroy the head, you don't unalive the Kimyo or the construct, the nightmare construct. So I'm just glad that we kind of get a reminder of that with the very first scene for this week. You know what I'm saying? A little small artistic take, but it's fire nonetheless. You feel me? Then it's a different perspective. It's a little nice little perspective shift. You feel me? Wow. So is he gonna heal from that? Oh yeah, damn, he's growing the organs back. And so it's like making like a burning sound effect. Motherfuckers sodorizing the wound while organs is growing back. Am I supposed to defeat a 20-foot giant with 3 heads who can heal after being disemboweled? You could no cop. Nah, bro. Nah, not like this. Not the upward swing. She tried to Yuki note and cut over with. Hook, bro. How this man not? Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, Brent. I see you sneaking in the season 3 and the season 3 music. So we can't edit a video with the season 3 music. When you gonna drop the heat? When you gonna release the music on the official Ordeal channel? We need that. Hold on. Okay. Think, Yuki. Your uncles trained you for conflict, for unexpected moments where survival depends on self. Even if I can't defeat it, I don't have to worry about it going after anyone else. It only has eyes for me, right? Shoot, it's so quick for its size. It doesn't make any sense. And then he steps forward. I'm about to crash out, gang. Hold on, folks. Who told this nigga to kick Lil Sis, bro? Who told him to kick Lil Sis, bro? He booted her ass, folks. He put the Timbs on, folks. These is ancient goddamn North stompers right here, folks. Unmanicured, folks. Frostbitten stompers, folks. Folks ass smacked her ass with that bitch. Bro, motherfucker said you ain't the only one with frost feet, folks. And then smacked him into the. Oh no, don't do me like that. Come on, it's the Leopard's Cub. We can't do this. We can't do this. Told you in Nexus a month ago, but I made a panel my screensaver. Oh, yeah. That was the Amazon panel, right? And then she looks so oh, she got that dog in her. She got that dog in her. Nigga said, hold on, nigga. She, no, forehead wide as hell. Forehead wide as hell, motherfucker. And then one, another little artistic thing right now. Because her nose is clogged with blood, one of the smokes coming out one nose is a lot smaller than the other one coming out the other nose. So I guess it'd be the right nostril since it doesn't have the blood on it. It's coming out full clip, but since the left nostril is clogged, it's coming out partial. Fire. You know what I'm saying? Brent be paying attention. Brent be paying attention. Brent be paying attention. He be going crazy with the pencil. Shoot, time for me to start making some. That's a bar, nigga. That's a bar. Wait. That's a bar, nigga. I can't even cap with that one. That's a bar, nigga. Let me fix the joint. Boop, there you go. The joint's still not fixed. Boop. There you go. Fix the joint. Bop. There we go. Joint fixed. Green. See, I'm back in the background with Shay. But no. That's a bar. Motherfucker said, hold on, let me start letting niggas know who I am, fool. Let me start letting niggas know who I am, fool. Y'all fake got me fucked up, G. Nah, G. Kiko going crazy right now. I can't even care. I'm loving this. She really said, all right, gang. Let me just stop playing real quick. Let me learn you, bro. Let me learn you real quick. Hold on, I'm trying to do something real quick. Bop. Move myself over a little bit because I'm over the panel. I don't like that. Gotta fix that now. Okay, time for me to start making some noise. Wait. No. Upward cleave into the kick backward into the thrust attack. Look, hey man, Berserker Nightmare going crazy right now. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what the? Ice manipulation going crazy. Hold on, I'm trying to see. Is it coming from the glacier, the ice wall itself? Okay, so she pulls it up, but does he block it? Okay, let's just say it blows his arm back. And she preps herself. No, this man lose an arm? Off the pit, slash that man leg? Oh no. Got this nigga limping and shit. What Pinky say? You out here fucking with the boy with the fucked up walk, nigga? Oh yeah, knocked his ass down on bro. What if I can slow it down? Damn. And then he comes down with another heavy okay, why is my brain not braining right now? Vertical slash, bro. Another downward slash. Damn it, his left arm is free. Okay, so she held the arm in place. Okay, that's fire. So it seems she froze him at the shoulder. And so the glacier was big enough to keep, oh, okay, that's raw. So he freed the arm. Brute force. Yuki no Kata, and she grabs the other blade. Hasame. He pulled up with the Yuki no Kata. We get that hockey moment. Black ice. I'm trying to frame my thoughts right now because this is so hype right now. I'm trying to frame my thoughts. Bro, first things first, I don't think she was really driven into a corner where black ice was necessary to that degree. But another thing, I think she's just really worried about everyone else to the point where she just wants to get this fight over it. And it kind of shows the similarities between Shay and Yukiko's fighting approach, where they just want to completely overwhelm the enemy get the battle over with, call it a day. One thing I do love is how when she grabs the katana, yeah, you see the lightning, but she converts the ice that's already there into the black ice, if I'm not mistaken, because it looks like it's that very wall. Wait. Let me make sure. No, that's a slash. She made a completely different wall. And so as it, nah, okay, one thing, that panel's wrong. Took out the Minotaur head. Lion eyes is closed now. Fire. And then you have the burning effect with, the burning effect is overriding the healing effect. So does black ice negate heal factors to a degree? Eh? Isn't she a child? Perkatubby. I'm down, gang. We don't. Your teeth yellow, gang. Your shit not even yellow. How your shit beige? Yeah, whereas, granted, you already got shark teeth, Perkatubby. Now your teeth beige. Teeth mixing in with the green screen. Bro, nah, bro. Mans can't believe it with his good eye. And it seems he's only able to get the name. He's not the name and the name of the talent itself. So I guess he's not able to tell exactly how strong a Kimyo is based off using 50% of his chi. And I love having Yukiko as the focal point or the center shot right here for where the ice leads from. Like you don't see her because of the amount of chi that she's exuding. And it pretty much gives the notion that the ice appeared instantly. Yeah, that's hitting. Damn, even the Berserker man eyes is closed. Isn't she a child? That's my girl. Nah, why you talking heavy like this, Unc? Why you talking heavy like this, Unc? Hey, Azam, man, say go ahead, start killing people. And you got the lightning emanating off the katana. Yukiko, princess. Yukiko heart, the leopard's cub. Oh my God. Nah, bro. That dual blades, nigga. Bro. The dual blades. This pose is hitting, bro. This pose is hitting. And I love how she's facing the exact opposite way of Shay when he pulled out the extender part for Venter. He's facing the exact opposite way. And I love how also Nephialtes or Perkatubby, whichever you want to call him, Alpha T's, Nephialtes, Perkatubby. He said that her name represents pure snow. So just like how Shay himself, his name is what is it? Like thou shalt give or more shall give, but it's basically a name from an angel. He had a godly name, a holy name. And how Yukiko, she has the opposite personality as Shay. She's facing the opposite way of Shay. Wait, Brent. We already done got the goddamn Monkey D dead. Okay, never mind. Maybe I'm tripping. Please don't tell me, Brent. Let Hasama use the third sword. Don't let her put it in her mouth, Brent. Don't let her tie the do-rag up, Brent. So hashtag ice cream. Oh yeah. For sure. Look at my daughter. Anything happen to her, I'm crashing out. Bro, if I see her pull out the goddamn sword, she's like, damn, put that bitch in the mouth and then something forms. I'm gonna crash out, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know I'm not a Zoro guy. You know I'm not a Zoro guy. You know I'm a Sanji guy. I don't fuck Mary Moo. Okay? Okay? Fuck that nigga. But wait. Is the sword, is the hockey emanating over to the other blade? Rank. Classified. What y'all think Yukiko rank is? What y'all think her rank is? Let me find out she 150. Let me find out she 150. Let me find out she may be 147. Maybe let me find out she took Andrea's place. Andrea left. She has a summon now. Let me find out. It hit different. She like bro now. Season 1 and 2. Rank classified. Oh shit. I'm in it, bitch. Big lake, nigga. Hold on, wait a minute. Wait. You two hurry and get those trucks running. With this commotion, cold ears are perked. There may be checkpoints along the road. Stop for no one. Don't wait for my signal. Just go. This nigga's panicking. This man panicking. And they puppy folks. If old yellow, how the fuck did old yellow become a person, G? Man, did he get put down at the end of his book? How the fuck is he back? Who's the generic ass Martinez? Gang Or is just so underwhelming. This man is definitely Kiba. This is Kiba and Akamaru. Nah, fool. Nah, gang. Nah, gang. Oh, nah, fool. That's crazy, fool. Oh, you gotta keep it right there. Tell them, yes, sir. Akamaru, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, keep it Akamaru right there. Going crazy. Tell niggas drive, bitch. Nigga said, man beats taijutsu. Hell nah, yes, sir. Okay, that's how you know Kiba useless. Even Akamaru got a drive, nigga. This nigga Akamaru driving. This nigga Akamaru character team. I think Akamaru is even more popular in the character pose. Akamaru, skirt. He been in that bitch. Hey man. What the? Did she just throw the spit? Akamaru ain't getting up again. Oh, yellow ass got put down again. Motherfucking arm standing right there on the wheel. Bro, the spear chuck is crazy, G. The spear chuck is wild. The goddamn halberd chuck. The halberd chuck is wild. I can't even cap. That's wild, G. Bro. Chuck that bitch ass dude ass. No! That nigga panicking. Pulled up on that nigga. Nah, finessing with the damn knives, projectile knives, as he blocks with the big glove. It's raw, bro. Hey man, shout out the man bun thing, bro. The thing that helped me get the goddamn weight off my neck that I put in my head. Hey man. And this shit, no, why you gotta let me find my baby like this? Brent. You know I love her, Brent. Every reaction, King. You know I'm an Andrea fan, bro. He was like, yeah, I have a whim. I don't make him an inspired character get folded. Bet, perfect. Yeah, he about to fight the character he like. After she went to show. I'm not even putting the go! Leave! The mission! Got my ass goddamn kicked to the side like that. Nah, the finesse though. Throw the spear, rush him. Use the blades as diversion to kick him over. The choreography hit it. Okay, so We know he's able to react almost instantaneously to attack of that speed because we know she tried to do it against him before with a shield bash. So maybe she used the blades themselves to divert his attention so that way he doesn't make a weapon to block it. That nigga sweating. That nigga got a booty chin. Oh, hell no, boy. Fat chin ass, boy. Bro. Folks need to fire his barber. His line and fucked up. Bro. They don't got no barber. Nobody don't got no barber talent. No cut, no me. You know what I'm saying? No fade talent. That's who this nigga needs to go see, folks. Folks need to go see the head doctor, folks. Folks need to go see the head doctor, folks. Why Nexus ain't throwing up yet? I don't know why Nexus. Oh, he covered in vomit already. That man. No, she got that dog in the nigga. No, nigga. Look at that nigga. The boot is crazy. Nigga, this is so wrong, nigga. I'm not gonna lie, bro. She just finessed the whole crowd. Bro, this whole sequence, boy, go leave! Smoke that nigga. Keeper ain't even make it to the truck. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Ricky Bobby, stop. Nigga said, what the fuck? I can't make no constructs. Kick this nigga to the side. What's going on? She looking at that nigga like, oh yeah, you a bitch for real. Broke that nigga rib cage. Damn! So we were just making niggas go splat. We splat gang. That's what you're telling me. A sparring kick to death is crazy. A barber talent, I'm just saying, bro. That's what that nigga need, bro. But never mind, folks. They probably got one in the upper room. Folks went right to the ether. Right to the ether, bro. Folks feeling like Nas right now. Folks dropped right into the ether, folks. Ain't no spawn something, ain't no respawning, ain't no lobby. But what technically the ether is the lobby. That nigga went right to the lobby. Like, how does Thanatos get everybody in his day is racist Kimyo, but this nigga, he didn't even think about popping his talent. Both sweat, no me this bitch. Pulled out the sweat, devil fruit. The shit, no me. Folks said shit at bricks died instantly. Died on impact. Same thing we seen Yukiko just tank. That nigga died instantly. But where's that hardening? You lack chi technique, old nigga. Sent that nigga right to the upper room. Hit that nigga with the thank you come back. Just pushing up cars. Y'all just think y'all gonna launch the nukes? We told this bitch one punch. And that's with the regular arm. So make her Edward Elric this bitch. Do the full the auto-mail pose. You know what I'm saying? Check the drip out pose. You feel it? But now I slashed her. What is that? They pull out the nigga. I got auto-mail, nigga. You know, don't let man stop playing with man. That's Street Fighter 7 right there, man. Niggas not ready for Street Fighter 7, bro. DLC 1. Andrea. Unfortunately, Heart. Soon to be. Hey man, it be like that, bro. We just punching on trucks now. Like I said, bro, once you hit that top 150 tier, you just start doing shit. Shay standing up praying on top of moving trains, on top of the bullet train and shit, or what? I don't think that's the bullet train, but on top of the train, Andrea punching holes in trucks. Who gonna check these people? Once I see you do that, I'm gonna be like, dude, I'm gonna be like Kiba. Maybe racism isn't right. over with. Maybe we should fight for the humans. She's punching holes in trucks. So some got thrown. She looked back like it's not even a problem. Still a little bit off the sake. Counter, no, parry. Not to give me your weapon, nigga. She lost the sword and the halberd and the shield. Nah, she done knocked the man bun out this nigga shit. This nigga got the Colgate chest, nigga. Straight white toothpaste. Hold on, wait a minute, G. Okay, hold on, wait. Why is his dread just as long as mine? How his dread get about as long as mine? What's that? Right there by his waist? No, a little bit below his waist. Brent. This nigga Brent got hockey. He don't got the shining gun. That nigga got hockey. Straight hockey, bro. Byakugan. Nigga got the exact length right. Man's pissed. Man disengaged. Get that shit up out of here. Stop that shit. Like, damn, G, why you so mad for? You're dead, Thomas. Oh, this nigga foaming out the mouth? Okay, the white tongue, chin dripping white stuff. That's crazy. Super pause. Even this nigga implant with white. Man's ass produces all type of weaponry now. All his juices, all his creative juices is flowing right now. And that's a crazy statement. That's a crazy statement. Wait. Man's lip is leaking off the panel. She just smacked the toothpaste out this nigga mouth. You're not the first one to make such a declaration, General Lath. And I assure you won't be the last. Hold on. And looks over. It only takes a spark to ignite a war. And she looks over at Shay. And it looks like this is past destruction and is now smoldering. And this one's from the third Tomasi's fired. Even though you would think it's like the second one because of how the panel shaped, but it's the third one. Those that seek to aim to disguise their bloodlust, but that won't be sated by mere conflict. She unsnaps. No! Hey, I'm just saying, Chili Baby Back Ribs is back. You know what I'm saying, baby? Hey, Dre, looking. We ain't gonna do too much. But nah, on a serious note, bro, having the shit hang off, taking the arms out, nah, bro, this is raw. This is raw. If your master Thanatos has his way, the flames of his war will raise entire cities. And then she take our collective efforts to build and create as both human and Kimyo. His dream will see that they are all wiped out. That will include the very place you generals once called home, wherever that may be. Nah, not she pulling the Kakarot. She taking out the drip. Hold on, is that a crack on the ground? Okay, ain't no crack. Okay, she's just taking out the little mini weights. Nah, not from my udder, Brent. When I say I feel it in my udder, I don't mean literally, Brent. I think you took a literally, Brent. That's the udder right there, Brent. That's the udder. So you're gonna make me pull weapons from my udders. Now, Milkman Nara. I'm part of the milk brigade now. It's like anti-muscle milk. It's man bun milk. And this nigga swollen than me. So I can't even check me. I'm looking like some goddamn Colgate. Fresh out the tube. That's crazy. I'm gonna need Leif to put the cover that shit up with the cake. Cover that shit up with the cake, Leif. We don't need to see that shit. Now I'm starting to feel like Perker Tubby got his tissue from Leif. It's just a construct. This nigga just doing shit. You sound terribly misguided, Madam Thomas. You think we serve the Death Lord with the hopes of protecting our homes? That his vision will save the communities that birthed us? No, that's not. Nah, that's wrong though. Oh, geez. Oh, man. Bro, how this nigga so saucy? Why he so saucy? Nah, G, not like this. G, why this nigga so saucy? G. The same reason my goddamn green screen keep moving behind my chair. Like, goddamn. And the green screen stop moving. On the contrary, we want it all ground to dust. Every Titan general is an outcast, saved by Thanatos' will. And you will not succeed in breaking that loyalty. Oh, that little bar! Bro, this nigga weapon manufacturing is raw, G. Bro, a night spear? You know what I'm saying? Looking like an anchor? An anchor lance, nigga? But gang, with the rope hanging right there, gang, with the homeless man rope right there, gang, and them big ass boots. This is raw, bro. It is crazy, G. I thank you, Brent. Out of my heart, thank you, G. Making me a character. I'm waiting to get folded, but hey, I'm biased. I'm biased. Got my dread length right. Got the man bun. I'm gonna have to pull out the dread cool bar next or something. It hit different when you got the dread cool bar. I wonder why you haven't covered your body in that liquid paper of yours. It seems rather durable. Is she stretching? Not the, hold on, I'm about to whoop your ass real quick. Not the stretch. Not the stretch. Not the yeah. Not the stretch. The stretch is crazy. The crack in the back is crazy. I wonder why you haven't covered your body in that liquid paper of yours. It seems rather durable. Looks as though it flows from your body. Flows from within your body. Kinesis type, I presume? Sounds like those tend to be painful. You probably attempted to control it, huh? You probably attempted to control its dispersal previously and failed. Hence the reason your left arm seems deformed. Not cooking this nigga. Not cooking this nigga. Now you couldn't control your power, so your shit fucked up. Not that it couldn't be me though. Not stretching that very arm that's fucked up ahead with your, and that being your good arm. Not being like shit. My good arm perfectly fine, G. Even my auto mail cool. Oh, Andrea looking kind of good right now. Hey man, hey, Orman, man. Orman. Denzel lip pucker. Orman. I'm gonna need you to restrain yourself. You can't be talking about. Hey. Beautiful woman. Very beautiful. Outstanding, magnificent. More than what I deserve. I'm gonna need you to refrain from talking about Mervin. Can't be talking about woman. I'm gonna need you to control yourself. Just saying, word. Saying, bro. We doing here, bro. We doing here, bro. You probably attempt to control its dispersal previously and failed. Hence, the reason your left arm seems deformed. Shoo. If a war begins, there will only be more of you. Kimyos with astounding abilities denied the opportunity to fully master them. Plunged into battle before truly understanding who you are or what brilliance your talents harbor. We go back to we go back to shade. I'm not ready. The weight of 1,000 suns, the weight of 1,000 dead stars. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. This is what I want. This is what I want the most. This is what I want the most. What I want the most. Fantasy's about a made up character? Nah. Unfortunately, good sir, you have the wrong individual. That's still my woman, though. Okay. Who you are, or what brilliance your talents harbor. An entire generation's growth stunted. Its beauty stolen. The time, peace, freedom, and will to study your gifts eviscerated. Oh no, Andrea, stop crazy. Those after us will never have the chance. This is what your side fights for. Bro. Oh my goodness. She said she's not even up in the weapon, nigga. Hey man, that's Andrea, aka Kung Fu Hustle, G. She about to work this nigga. She answered. Say late. Like, wait, hold on. And if you cannot see the depravity in that, every last one of you are beyond salvation. Nowhere giddy. Nah, you got shade. Eyes brightening up. He's releasing more power. No! believe it. No, you're not. Oh my god, bro. Did she really lose control over her emotions like that to the point she grabbed it with her, bro? Oh my, bro. This is, oh my god. Noragiri, please, yeah. Don't do me like this, Joel. I need it, bro. Nigga, not no one. Bro. My baby, bro. Bro, never, bro. Never, bro. Nora giddy. And then she grabs that bitch. Whoa. Close my eyes. And go up far. Okay. Make sure I don't spoil myself. So my computer just tweaked. That's anything. All comments. I was like, hold on. They could get folded. She grabs it. Nora Geardy. Bro, that explosion of chain, nigga. Do not lecture me, child. The world I am prepared to die for is where your children will thrive. Oh, I get you. I do. Is she controlling it, nigga? Scales? Is it like a dragonoid? Wait. I need scale. Wait. Oh, I get you. I do. And to create that world, you're just gonna execute the children that are here now, right? This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. This is what they.
Hold this nigga. Time him out. 60 seconds. He's wilding in chat, Vice Commander.
Can you hear me now? Hold that nigga. Jump him. Jump him in chat. Jump CEO or man in chat. Vice Commander. Captain Nexus. Jump this nigga. Vice Commander. Captain Nexus. Jump Aura Man. 60 seconds, jump his ass. Timeout, 60 seconds, Aura Man. And in them 60 seconds, all the viewers, just know Aura Man is getting stumped out in the back of the spaceship. Hey, I'm just saying, I'll finish. When Aura Man gets timed out for 60 seconds. Okay. There we go. There we go. We got hey, Aura Man getting jumped in the back of the ship right now. That's what you get for wilding. We didn't get you warning after warning, Aura Man, that you can't be wilding. We don't. You gotta conduct yourself, Aura Man. And since you don't want to listen to warning, say less, we jump niggas in this ship. You feel me? Like the niggas in Gundam, folk. You want to listen to command? Ship, little nigga. Punched his ass. Shout out Commander Bright. Commander Bright, he taught me how. We're here different when Commander Bright teach you how, folks. Shout out my nigga, Commander Quattro, folks. Shout out Commander Quattro. What the fuck is that nigga government name? Shout out Shaw Asnable. Fuck is you talking about? He taught me how, folks. We jump niggas on this ship. But no, I like how she's not in complete control of it, and she's in partial scale right now. And then you still see like the scales overgrowing her face. And you see that now Giri's or Nora Giri personality is showing through, because now she seems more sadistic, going to show that she's syncing with she breaks her soul off into pieces to be able to utilize partial and full scale. But in this case, her soul and Nora Giri's soul, because it's cursed, because it wants to take over, isn't completely in sync. And so its personality is slowly leaking through, because she's still kind of trying to suppress it. Fire artistic take, bro. And damn. That nigga got folded for them 60 seconds just for Brent to end the chapter. Three weeks. See? Vice Commander been keeping give him a chance, Vice Commander. Give him a chance. Don't let him vibe. I'm gonna see what he gonna do. It hit different. It hit. Oh yeah, them bitches hard right there. I can't even cap, dude. I can't even cap, dude. I'm gonna need them bitches, dude. Anyway, hey man, I start going off in a completely different direction. I can't even cap. But anyway, this is really all I got for this chapter, bro. If I could rate this chapter on that Ordeal scale, this motherfucker 10 again. I'm saying Norgiri is getting utilized. Yukiko is going crazy. You know what I'm saying? At the leopard cub, rather than being one of the wolf cubs, she's a leopard's cub. She takes after her daddy. It hit different. Anyway, hey, Vice Commander Bardia, you can keep stumping that nigga out. Wow. Captain Nexus, play the intro. Well, outro.
You know we like foreign shit. Call it Cabo Cardia. From Korea to Japan, look like baller body, yeah. Know I'm feeling like the man when it's cushy in the air. Know I'm kissing on her neck, now her tushy in the air. You know niggas talking shit, but we fried and we don't care. You know I am so unique, you can't clone me, I'm too rare. My aesthetic be too sleek, gentleman, I'm debonair.